So hello, we're playing paperface again. Oh yeah. Oh hey, oh there's Tank Boy. I'm just gonna stand right there. Are you guys voting the same map again? Am I talking to you right now? If you always vote me out, I'll just vote you out. Since how can no one transform at that last round? Like how come can no one transform at the last round? Well, I do all the time. Because you guys are big bags. Oh yeah, the train missed. This train's trashed. This train's trashed. I'd probably go on the train. Let's go just ride the train right there. Hope you didn't get... I didn't know there's a clue right there. And there's an 8. What is it? What's wrong with everyone? Are they acting normal or they're not actually doing their jobs? He's just standing on the elevator. Just ignore that. These are not mines, right? Maybe these are not mines. Since how come no one just transformed? Since how come no one transforms? Probably, how come no one transformed? I'm not gonna vote Tango. Yeah, how come no one transformed? Bro, the bomb is coming!